beautiful colors to make our rainbow of character. It shows us the beauty we can create within ourselves by following the golden rule.
I've learned a lot of new ways to work this year with my teachers, friends, and family. It makes my world a nicer place. How about you?
Me too. Since we are the oldest class in primary school, we need to set a good example for the kindergarten and first grade to follow.
We have been stretching out our necks to work together. I think that Stretch can be proud of what we've done and our commitment to keep working.
To keep your rainbow shining, you have to have the right mix of sunshine and rain. To keep ours shining, we will keep working to find the right mix of our values, our rainbow connection.